welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday. Whoop whoop. Everyone's here because everyone's off work. Yay! And it's hot and I don't know what back there, so let's go out here where it's nice and cool. Is it still raining or did it rain all night or what did it do? Is it dry? I'm gonna go check out the chickens. I'll be back. Oh man, is it bright outside? Oh, I can't look. Oh, it's hot outside too, man. It's humid out here. Woo, is it bright? Oh, I can't see. Oh, it's too bright. Sunlight, it burns. Man, it is humid and shit out here. Humid as shit out here. There we go. Man, look at the garden. Everything's popped up. No, I'm kidding. It's gonna take weeks, like at least 2 weeks, everything we grow pop up. We're gonna have lettuce out the ass. That's all I'm gonna say. And corn too. We're gonna have a bunch of corn. Probably too much corn. But let's go check on the chickens. Let's go see here. I would let them out, but I can't do it by myself because they escape. Da, da, da. Let's see here. Whew, it's hot today. What was that noise? Oh man, there's something over here. Oh man, what is it? Seriously, I heard something. I don't know what it was. Right, let's see. Check for snakes and all that good stuff because they like to be up here. Especially now since there's chickens. Alright, nothing. Alright, guys, ready for the chicken reveal? Haha! Or ghetto redneck walks. There we go. And back it up. Back it up. Back it up. No, don't jump out. No, don't you jump out. Ah. You guys okay? All of you? Yeah. 4 and 4? Yeah. Go in there. Look at you. You need some fresh water. Alright, let's lock them back up because I can't let them out. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. Alright, well, here. Sorry. Okay. There we go. And this one's always a pain in my ass. This shut. There we go. Yeah, I did it with one hand. Well, one hand and a leg, I guess. Chickens are all okay. I'll let them out in a minute. I'll come back up and film it once my mom's done doing her thing. She said she'd come help me. Because I can't let them out by myself because they'll all run to the floor and I don't want to run all over the place. Eventually, I think soon, we're going to start putting up the fence. We just open the door and just let them run. Because that fence is probably going to come up to here. We're going to cut all that down. All that's going to be cut down. We're going to have the fence come up here. And yeah, it'd be nice. That's the plan. I don't know when that plan will come into fruition. But that's the plan. We'll see what happens. So, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm tired. I've been going hard on the workouts. Because I've been stuck at 265 yeah, I've been stuck at 265 pounds for about a week. And I don't want to lose more and more, but I lost 18 pounds this month. Almost 20 pounds, so that's a good thing. So, yay. If I can lose 20 pounds a month, I'll be able to get down to 150 pounds, which is where I want to get to. My goal is to get to 150 pounds and be flexible and have really high endurance so I can run and do all that cool stuff. And yeah, I don't really want to get buff. I just want to be flexible and have some muscle and be skinny. Oh. Well, hey, I guess we're going up there. No. I need some water, though. You get the...
Oh, here, hold this.
Yeah, get the thing of water. I guess we're sitting here waiting for my mom to get to water. Let's go back in because it's hot out here. It's humid out there. It's not hot, it's humid.
Yep.
Woo, what burned? How? Whew. Man, it's dark in here. Can you guys even see me? I don't know if my phone doesn't like the light. Whew. My phone doesn't like the light. I mean the darkness. Really, it doesn't. Jake, has Jake been outside?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Uh-huh. I'm gonna do yoga today and you can watch me be stupid. Tomorrow you really get to watch me be stupid because I'm gonna do HIIT. And I look like an idiot doing it. Should have seen me. Can you hear me? I need a mat or something, like something so I could do traveling push-ups on. And I need something for that porch because when I do push-ups on the porch, my butt hurts. It's hard. And I don't want to do push-ups in here because I get in people's way and there's not enough room. And I don't want to break the floor. You're using hot water. Yeah, you are. It was a joke because you did it yesterday. Aha, it was a joke. Ha ha ha. Alright, guys, I'll cut back. Don't throw water on me. Cut back once we're up at the chicken coop. Ah, no, open it. Open it. Open it. Open it. Don't run away. I don't like the noise. Well, at least they used to not like it. Alright, guys, I'll cut back in a minute. Oh, shut the door. Just shut the door for a second. Relax. Alright, guys, I have to cut back in a minute because they're frisky and they went out. So I'll cut back in a minute. Whoop. Alright, guys, we're back. It's been a while. I've just been in here watching this all day. If you don't know, I probably shouldn't show that. But I've been watching a Dragon Ball, and then I'm going to watch Dragon Ball Z because I haven't watched it in, I don't know, a couple. I watch it like at least twice a year probably. So, because it's my favorite show of all time. Probably not that many, but I'm watching it as well. From Dragon Ball all the way to Z. And I don't know, but yeah, kind of my favorite like dub of it, which a lot of people don't like because it doesn't have like the Bruce Faulkner score. So this time I'm going to watch it through with the original cut of it, like the original dubbing and everything, because I don't like the original dub of Dragon Ball. I don't know, it just seems stupid in some places, and I don't really, yeah. Plus there's a lot of filler that I don't watch. Garlic Jr. Saga, all that good stuff. Where's your plants at? I thought you had your whole garden. Plant it. Really? And how is he escaping? Uh-huh. Man, so right now we got a row of, what? Dad, are you having issues up here by yourself? Is the sun getting to you? Not that bad out here now. Oh, be quiet. What? The hell was in there making noise?
I thought chickens out first. There was a bird down there. On this side.
Which side?
He's down a couple leaves up in there.
What are you doing?
Yeah, almost out.
What? Are you having a moon with the chicken?
They didn't eat that.
Sometimes they don't, sometimes they do.
They've been eating those black ones.
I know, because I'm here, they like me better.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do. Look at this one, he's trying to jump out.
Here. He's smart. Come here.
They don't know what to do. Why are you blocking? Why are you chirping like a chicken?
So they come to me. They know when they hear that, there's something to look at. See that?
I know, they do that for me too.
There you go.
Yes, they do. They did that to me for like this.
They didn't do that for me.
No, they've been doing that for weeks to me.
Come here, Boston.
The big brown one.
Mrs. T.
Mrs. T. I think they're all hens. I wouldn't mind having one rooster.
No, I want purple rooster.
Why?
Okay, occasionally nice. Look, another black one's gonna try to get out. I would have seen the black one. Oh, he's out! He made it!
You better get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him.
Uh-oh.
You
no one!
get him. Dad, get them. Get them. Grab them. I don't know. Grab them. Grab them. Come here. Come. Go back in. Come here. That was. Here. Grab one. I can't grab them with one hand.
Well, put your phone
I
down.
can't.
There, they bite.
Are you doing good up here?
That's the red one.
Help him down. Jump back in. Oh.
No, that one jumped
No. Jump that way. Jump that way. Go that way. That way. That way. That way. Don't eat the... Put him back in there. I can't believe he jumped right out. Two of them. Three tried to. Get him.
They're all coming out.
Get him.
We gotta do something here.
Get him down. Dad.
Go in my compost.
Dad, put him back in there.
Red one. Look,
put him back in there.
They're all coming out, baby.
Put him back in.
What are we gonna do?
He's just sitting there. He likes it up here. Yeah. Put him back in.
Well, you said black chickens and black ones couldn't fly.
Told you, well, they won't be able to once they're fully grown. Put him back in. Jump back down. Jump. Jump. Jump back down.
His things are in the way.
They knocked their food over.
I'll get
Put him down. Put him in there. Put him in there. Ah! Chicken! Go back in!
Hey!
We gotta do something.
Yeah, I know.
Help me get them back in. Put him back in.
Just fly back in there.
Go back in. Go. Go back in. Go back in. Go back
They
in.
know they can get out now.
Go back in. Go back in. Please.
I don't know how you're going to keep them in there now.
Go back. Put them back in. That.
Look, feet all over the place down there. Go grab
I
it.
know. Go back in.
I think this one's afraid.
Go back in. Let him. Put him in there. Put him. Pick him up and grab him. No, he ain't gonna bite you.
Come here.
Just pick him up and put him back in. Just pick him up.
You
No,
need
put him. Oh, don't throw him.
He's going to jump in there anyway.
Put this one in there now.
He's
Put,
going back.
put this one in there. Oh, there we go. Shh. How many escaped? 3?
Yeah. I
That.
can't believe he picked this side.
I
That
know.
was coming up the fence.
Get off the. You guys are
Yeah,
crazy.
We'll have to let him run around. You know,
No.
that fence is a little, well, that's a little higher once we get it in
It's
there.
like up to here.
Yeah, we got to remember.
Look,
that.
he's coming
That's
back up.
the ground.
Look, he's coming back up.
No, no, you don't.
I can't believe the 2 of them did that. That was something.
Got 3 of them.
Yeah, I know. I'm surprised the black one did it.
Yeah. The red is, well, that red one tried it, but he didn't quite make it. He slipped about here.
I think they jumped off the
Yeah. Level that down. He can't make it up.
yeah.
The red one, they didn't want to climb up the fence.
Yeah, I know. We got climbers and flyers. And you said they wouldn't escape.
I never said that. I told you.
You know they're going to escape now since they know they can.
Yes.
Too bad. They don't really want to go away from here. If you notice, when you get up there, he just kind of, yeah. Unless they all get out, then they'll be all over the
Well, you
place.
seen that one of them flew, and they all flew out.
Yeah, I know. They all tried it. They're like, huh, if one could make it, we could all make it.
Mother.
She's in the shower.
Oh,
Don't call it, yeah. Yeah, she told me if it starts raining to go roll up her
it
window.
was raining.
Was it?
It started sprinkling a little bit. She's different. I got to fix my window too.
I know.
I got to go tape it.
Oh, go.
Do something. I didn't have to fix it with.
I can't believe that they jumped up there like that. 3 of them did.
What, you know what this means?
Free range. No. You can't clip. No. You ain't clipping their wings.
Hear that? Crows are coming.
Chickens. They like it out here, you know that? Yeah, when I let them out. Yeah, when they jumped out today, right? Guess what they want? Guess.
Huh?
Guess what? When they escaped out there today, guess what they want? They came here through the orange fence to get in here.
Well,
Yeah, they went in here.
you cut that open, they might just run right in there. You never know.
Maybe.
Feed 'em. Thing is, they're going to get out now. They're going to come up and they're going to be running out on all over.
What am I supposed to do? What was that? You can't clip their wings. It's mean.
Not mean.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Mean nothing, something to give them too.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Someone will grab them if they ain't got...
Nothing before we come up through today. Unless they get ran over by a car or something. They're getting big. How big some of them are?
Oh, I know they are. They're fully grown chickens.
Enough fight.
Yeah, they're getting there. It's raining. God. Just felt raindrops.
Yeah, they too won't do nothing. Okay, I need some to that off.
Alright, guys. I'll come back in a few minutes. Alright, guys. We're still just sitting here watching chickens. This block was trying to jump out again. Nope. There he comes. Look at him. You gonna do what you said earlier? You ready for him?
I'm ready for him.
You can't smack him.
Come on, I'm ready for you this time. The red one's going to try it.
I
Look,
know. Look at him.
he's
Oh,
going for it.
do it.
She's going for it.
Go. Oh, no. Black one. Yeah, he's just climbing
up.
it.
I'm not dumb.
Jump. Oh, look. Get off the fence. Chickens are
Well,
crazy.
something in there was
I know. Now they go.
Can't believe they all started flying out like they did. Did you film that?
Yeah, I have it all on camera.
Look,
Get off of the.
you're a chicken, not a squirrel. These things are kind of funny.
We need to fence them in.
Look, that really hot.
I know.
He's got that look in his eyes.
I know, look at him. He's like, huh.
Oh, I can do it. The black ones can do it, I can do it.
The one of them did try it, remember?
Yeah.
They didn't make it. I can't believe they...
Boy, that redden, when you wasn't up there, he almost made it out.
I know.
I ain't got time for fooling around with the chickens all day.
We gotta put that fence. What was that? No,
No,
you're not. No.
Put them in the pot.
Dad, you can't.
They're eating chickens.
Man, we gotta get that fence up.
Yeah, we gotta work on that since I get my garden. How big a garden is that?
I know he's big.
Yeah, that one's gonna be the parcel, that black one. All time.
Yeah.
You can't make, I know you can't do it that way.
They did them more than issue. Well, I mean, it's almost as high as that one over there.
Well, yeah, I guess it is.
Look, he's trying to get up higher and jump.
Put the fence up that way, be up on the hill.
Yeah.
I believe that tree gonna have to come down.
I know we have to cut all that down.
Those are good raspberries. They stay.
Me and Mom's gonna work on that this week.
You do it.
No.
Look,
What? What?
he's thinking about it. Now everyone's thinking about it.
They're like, we could be free. They need more.
Place right there.
They need more room.
Yeah.
They do.
Fish have,
Look, oh,
well, you're supposed to have like a foot and a half per
I know.
chicken or something like that. Meat chickens, they need like a foot.
Yeah, I know.
Well, it's meat chickens.
That's what they are.
I know.
Yeah, they're dual purpose.
Like 8 weeks already.
Yeah, these are dual purpose.
This thing we got.
Look at him.
It's coming.
What are they?
I think
That was
that's it.
funny though, man. I can't believe that.
Look, I know you're not going to make it up on that side.
They do it everyone. They try it every once in a while. You think they'd make it out the orange fence, not that one over there.
Yeah, this is your best shot right here, bud.
Don't tell them that. They learn.
Really well.
Alright guys, I'll cut back in a few minutes. Alright guys, I'm back inside. I'm gonna get in the vlog here in a second because I'm not gonna do nothing else but watch some Dragon Ball and Dragon Ball Z hype. I've been watching it. My dog's scared. We gotta do something with the chickens, guys. They're gonna escape and someone's gonna eat them. What's wrong with you, Jake? Are you jealous because we're talking about the chickens, huh? Yeah, you're a good doggy. Yeah, you're a good boy. Yeah, good boy. Yeah, no one's leaving you. We're keeping you forever. You're a pet. They're farm animals, Jake. There's a difference. Trust me. But we gotta put that fence up soon. I can't wait till tomorrow, guys, because by the time I get up, the field will be cut because the guy behind us is a big brush hog. And this field over here is going to be cut, and I think it's going to be cool. That big field, well, you can't see it from here, but you know the big field I'm talking about. He's going to cut all that, and it's going to be awesome. It's going to be awesome sauce. So I'm going to come back in the vlog. Hi, guys. There's Cat's in here with me. Hey, Cat. Why are you in here for? It's hot in here. Yeah, I come out here where it's cool. His eye looks better, if you can't tell. It's not red now, which is a good thing. Should be getting better. Anyways, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and peace! Whoop! Hope you guys enjoy.